This is a peaceful illustration of a park scene on a sunny day. In the foreground, there's a wooden bench sitting under a large oak tree with a blue teddy bear and an open book resting on it, as if someone stepped away from reading for a moment. Two squirrels are climbing on the tree trunk and branches above. The bench overlooks a compound where a family of ducks, one adult and several ducklings, are swimming near some rocks and reeds. A small stone bridge arcs over the water in the middle distance, and beyond it, a fountain sprays water into the air. In the background, tall green mountains rise under a clear blue sky, with a few birds flying overhead. The park itself is lush with greenery, colorful flower beds with roses and hydrangeas surround the bench, and neatly trimmed bushes and pathways wind through the grass. There's also a weeping willow tree near the fountain and a couple of empty benches further along the path. Overall, the picture has a calm storybook like quality, bright colors, tidy landscaping, and small charming details like the teddy bear and squirrels that make it feel warm and inviting.